I'm still here in the house, but I am now really ready to go. I was trapped in the rain. Yeah. So it's broken now. My pannier is no, my rack is broken. So the train for my next destination will be leaving in 36 minutes. I am afraid with this door.
Yeah, hopefully.
I actually have one more rice in here. Yeah, that's the hotel where I am staying. It's like a mansion. Okay, so yeah, we just checked out from this beautiful boutique hotel here in Catomba. 1 kilometer away from the town center. The name is La Maison Boutique Hotel. Yeah, we're going home. Oh, I'm feeling a little cold when I'm on the bike, so we're going to take our I have extra shirts in here. I will be having just a breakfast somewhere, I don't know yet, and then we look for a camping ground. And this is how it is here in the town center. Yeah, looks like no restaurant is open yet. So where are we going to have a breakfast? I don't know. The time now is actually 7:53. We are now exploring different alley here in Catomba. Good morning. Morning. Oh, there's that big W. Woolworth is there. This time we are heading to one camping ground. I check on the internet and it's like an ordinary, like a parking space. I can see there's one dinosaur. Yeah, I actually get through here, and this is the view here. Nice. And a residential area on the side. Okay, we reached this Stay KCC Campground. Payment required on arrival, but this has no reception. It's written there, register there. I can see that there are some caravans. Oh, there is a instruction on how to register. So this is the place, and there's one guy also with his bike in a tent, and some other are big caravans. Yeah, some are just cars like them, and there are electrical outlet, there is a toilet, and there is a barbecue area, and this is just $15. If you compare to different caravan, I mean to the usual caravans usually 45. And I registered online and I paid online, and that's it. And I'm actually going to stay here. It is near to the outlet, so I can charge my bike later. If you remember, this one is coming from Mr. Mike. He is the one who gave me this like last month ago when he visited Nelson Bay. Okay, that's it for now. We're going to leave that there, and we're going to explore the place. Now my bike is so much lighter. I have just my pannier. Inside are my very important things, like the charger, my wallet, and my computer. And we are here. This one is called the Narrow Neck Lookout, and look at that. Like what I've said to you before, this is like an ocean of forest. like ocean of trees, very deep, but still so much trees down there. Amazing. And there's actually some roads inside. Yeah, so far this is the deepest. Yeah, Blue Mountain is the deepest stunning place that I've seen ever. Oh, this is one of the highest part of this place. And look at this down there. And in the middle there's like a flat grounds, just grass, and there are some houses. So this is like a big community, like a one town. Everything that you see is your town, and you are the leader. You built your house in here, and you see what's happening around, like you are the king if you stay here. We go. Look at that. You see, those are top of those trees, and they are very deep. Yeah, if I get down there, how will I go up? And this is the other side. Against the sun. This is called the Blue Mountains because of the, if you look at that, it is color blue on the far side. Yeah, same as the color of the sky. That's probably just the reason. I'm actually now back here in the town center, like the shopping street, and choosing a restaurant is a bit difficult for me. And I will be having this. My breakfast will be ham, cheese, tomato, crab. Okay, I stay in that cafe for about an hour, and now we are heading to Blackhead. We are going to the Great Western Highway, so we're not going to record that for safety. Coming from that highway, I see the sign. It looks like there is a bike lane in here, but if you can see on the photo, the walking guy is going up. Yeah, we use the highway. We keep on using the highway. While I was on the highway, there is just a small wings. Look at that. Yeah, there is just a small sideways, and then I noticed that there is actually a bike lane in this side, and I am now here. And this is a very challenging bikeway because a lot of ascending and descending track. So if you happen to be here in Blue Mountain with your bike, you can get through this way. It's safer in here. I am still wearing this because I was not sweating along the way, starting when I left the house, because yeah, it was a very relaxed biking. Also, it was not very hot in the previous days, so yeah, I'm still wearing this. And I take shower whenever I am in the hotel, so there's no smell. You know, whenever you greet people, say good afternoon or good morning, they answer back and they say good day. I think this share trail is all the way to Blackhead. Blackhead is my next destination. We are going up. This one is out of the way. We're just going to have a quick look. residential area. Okay, we go back. Yeah, coming from the highway, I see this Hydro Majestic Pavilion, and they have a nice scenery down there. Let me show you first how it looks like in here. So beautiful. I'm going to have one of these chocolate donut and the soft drinks. No, orange juice. It actually reminds me of Gallery Lafayette in Dubai. I know I don't have much more time, but I actually want to go down there and bike all the way to that like a flat land in the middle of those mountains. Looks really interesting to go there, but yeah, in the future maybe. Okay, we keep on going. This street is called the Station Street, and this is actually alongside the highway, so it is better to get through this way. Also, it is going to the Blackhead station, and this road is not concrete. Oh. It is a rough road. If you can see this railroad, this actually connected all the way to the Blackhead station, but there is no train going to that station. Maybe there is some kind of renovation, construction going on, improvements. Rough road. It feels safe to bike around here in Australia, because there are no real dangerous animals. Yeah, there may be the dog, but they are not really dangerous. I mean, there is no tiger, there is no lion. Yeah, there are kangaroos, but kangaroos are not harmful. And you know, I am hoping that these rocks, I hope they are not sharp. It is not a smooth bike ride, because yeah, look at that, too much bumping going on. It's good that I choose this way, because if I am in the highway, yeah, there is a bike lane in the highway, but I will always be cautious. I will always be careful with the car. Yeah, they are big and scary. The trucks, they are scary. The sound, the noise, the speed, they are scary. Remember that when you are driving here, there is sometimes sudden going down and sudden going up, and that's a little bit dangerous. And of course, I am not recording when I am in that situation. Yeah. So this one is a good adventure on a bike. And we are out here in this residential area. Still rough road. And going up. Looks like we are now in the town of this Blackhead. Yeah. Yeah, because there are many buildings in here, many houses. Yeah, I can see there are many restaurants also on that side. And we're going to take this out, because with this looks like we are a traveler. Yeah, and this is the town center of Blackhead. Yeah, many shops and restaurants, and looks like there are some on that side. This is the Blackhead train station, and yeah, actually the train is not coming here anymore. I'm just not really sure, because I was checking how to come here, but the only way is by bike, by bus. Yeah, and of course by car. There's no train option. All these leaves, they are very low. I need to be like this, not to touch my head from the leaves. Hey, look at this. I don't know if I need to take it. But yeah, there is actually, yeah, look at this. There is $50, another $50, another 50, 50, 20, 50. Yeah, and that money is not mine, so I'm not going to take it. Should I take it?